As we have seen completely how to make this floor plan 2 also, now the last file that we are going to see for the individual work, that is the floor plan 3. So basically here you can I will just provide you the floor plan 3.dwg file. Just double tap on it and you will be directed to here as the floor plan 3, 20 feet cross 27 feet. That this is basically the floor plan. It is basically the small floor plan that you can see that for the smaller area how we can make it. I have taken this plan. Okay. So based on it, you can see that here is a dogleg staircase being present with the different approach of the this format of adding the slanting stairs. Okay, and the materials and all this are being added properly. Like this way, you can directly make this floor plan, and it has been made completely, that is perfectly on the Struck with Prism YouTube channel. That is floor plan 3. When you just type here as the 20 feet cross 27 feet on YouTube, you can directly get to this format here. Okay, or I will just provide you a reference here, and from that you can directly make it from the start. Okay, it is basically about 1 hour video, and it will cover all the concept of here how to make it. And like this way you can make this floor plan 3. And like this way the all the section 12 also been completed, where we have seen how to get this extra file for the individual practice purpose. Okay, and here we have seen the already made blocks and the elevation plan. There are basically two plans we have seen, and the floor plan basically three floor plans which are being present on YouTube platform only. Okay, and here you can see that I have made this floor plan. Based on it, you can based on your imagination and all the things, you can use the construction line and make the elevation view and the section view of it also. Okay, by choosing here as the chhaja layer, then the plinth layer, then here you can directly use the construction line for the interior exterior walls. Here you can directly go for this particularly door the construction line. Okay, like this way you can do it perfectly. Okay, like this way we have covered with our section 12 also. Now the course conclusion and completion of the course. Okay, that's it for this video.